support us, you can place commission or buy digital image. In this page, to get more information, click Contact Me. To place commission, choose the service you need. Watch more review and feedback at the end of the page. To buy digital artwork from this video, please visit our Patreon page. You can get all of artworks from $1 per month, link in description below. In the rest of SPAY on the core design, continue to add mechanical parts, Now the signature design language was formed. It a quad-eyes design which will create a X shape. After completing sketching, we need to apply lineart base on this sketch. Why we need a lineart layer? Because your sketch basically isn't clean and tidy, and it will make the color layer isn't tidy too. Compare the difference between with and without lineart. In the next section, the line art will be applied continuously based on the initial sketch.